thank you for joining us again on Memories with a Legend. And as we know, this season is about Lucky Dube, my dad. So today we are joined in studio by Umam Tandi Hadebe, who was a member of the band with my dad for many years. So let's speak to Umam Tandi and hear what she says. Sanbanam.
Yebo.
Ninjani?
Siyaphila tu.
I know siphilile. Cha, sithi nje sikuvakashele namhlanje sithi ukuzwa ukuthi wena no babdube inqhamukapi nihlangane kuphi because thina sikhula nje hawu sewula yes nathi siyakhula umamthandi yawu nakhiya eband awusicacisele mhlawumbe nahlanganaphi nje mawusosho
Kusho ukuthi njengoba singamabhendi Lucky Dube namantombazana wakhe thizeni. Mina-ke leso sikhathi bengibe breakfast. Saseshowini thizeni eDurban. And then Lucky masengizwa mina Lucky wasipota le ntombazana stage. Wasebuza kuphume nakuthoni ukuthi ubani kanti uphume yangazi. Uphuma Dube wathi ngitholeleni la. Bangithola ngempela la kushiya kanjalo lapho joina kwami ukuthi sengikhohle unyaka kodwa mangicabanga lilonke this year ngabe ngenza 23 years ifike saphila njengoba ngiyi-23 years njengoba ngisasekhona 23 years ingane zakhe nje nina nabobongi nalifika lapha edowntown eofisini nengaka nifaka ama-blaze esikolo ney'gqoko zamabhumabhula nengaka nifike nilandiwe uJohn lizomela ubabeni ngapha nani bancane kakhulu ngiyamangana amaseningaka
nahlangana hayi kwaba imagic-ke vele ngoba nakho namanje impela noma engasekho ubaba nakho sasekele thina uyasiphosa sayidudula le noma kuyizamazama nje
futhi ngijabule kabi ukuthi uhambe ey'nyaweni zakhe awalanga ugibele kuyo ey'nyaweni zakhe
ukhala izingcingo asiphendule iy'ngcingo ukhala iy'ngcingo uMamthandi-ke uwumuntu ofunakalayo-ke njoba uyizwela nawe ukuthi the phone is busy but it's great to have her on the show for her to just explain really how she met ubaba and how she has continued to stay with the band and continue with iy'ngane zababa, you know. So it's really an honor to have her here. So awusicacisele nje mhlawumbe ungiyazi ukuthi yebo umculo kababa uyawucula wona hlezi nje vele ucula kodwa iyiphi ingoma othi mawuhleli phansi man uyicabanga noma uyicula uthi hey kodwa le ngoma Nkosi yami hayi ukhulumile uDube
ikhona le ngoma wethokozane waze wayikhipha stage lesimanga sami ngoba bengakwazi ukuyicula ithi take it to Jah
all this pain
uJah-ke bakwethu ngesirasta uNkulunkulu uthi uthatha inkinga zakho konke okulahlele kuye kuJah uza kusolvela zona bengiqeda
all these pains all these worries
all this suffering
I take it to Jah
thumela kuye manje Thokozani bengilimaza ngengoma manje mangithi ngiyangena stage ngiyicula ingilimaza vela ivalo lakhe wagcina seyikhiphile ke sesingasayicula ngesimanga sokuthi angikwazi ukuyicula ngazi ngenzani la ngaphakathi
wazizwa unjani-ke nakho-ke ayisekho-ke ingoma yakho-ke manje kodwa kise kuyaphefomeka
kakhulu Nkosi yami awuzwe ngithi ngibonga kabi kuThokozani ukuthi ngiyakubona uyimbungu phela fune ngabe ugijima namapiyano kodwa uthe nje ngifuna ukuhamba ey'nyaweni zikababa futhi ngithola ngicela ukuthi uzokubusisa ubaba wakho ukuthi at least omunye abantwana bakhe especially vele wena bengikuthukele kabi ukuthi le John Paul
uzogijima ayobamba ipiyano
yazi ngendlela Thokozani ubeke inhliziyo yakho ngakhona futhi uzoba nawe I'm telling you and nathi uyasikhuthaza njengoba siguge isingaka sijabulela ukuthi Nkosi yami simbooste lo mntwana ubaba wakho nje straight uyazazi ke nawe ungena stage ulimaza iaudience kanjani angazi ubabona uLucky ngoba vele niyafana I don't know ukuthi kwenzakalani kodwa
sencenga nje ngathi because nani nikhona niyaseseka lokhu naseka from dala nje lokhu sikhula nje nisiphusha namhlanje sesila esikhona inxa yenu because niyasiza if kuthiwa nani beningasiza nathi mhlawumbe ngabe nje ngabe sesayele yabo so ngakho ke cha nathi ke siyabonga lapho ukuthi impela niqhubeke neLucky Dube band nakho sirelease album yebo iyaphusha senza ama show and sisalokhu sizama siqhubeka ukwenza more so sibonge lapho icontribution yakho impela angazi ke kodwa ayikho mhlawumbe mhlawumbe noma eyodwa le oyikhumbulayo ukuthi uyabona yebo ngisebenzile noBaba Dube iminyaka eminingi njengoba usho bekuzoba 23 kulo nyaka iyiphi mhlawumbe noma ishow especific la oyikhumbulayo nje ngaye ekukhumbuza yena nje
ishow engikhumbuza
noma eyabamnandi kakhulu nje kuwe ngalendlela yokuthi hey kodwa ungayibali phela lezi ikhala ngoba phela wawusukhala lapha ngithi asakwazi ukuyibala lezo
no kodwa abantu ufuneka bazi ukuthi uLucky bemkhulu kangakanani hayi amashow angake ngibale Thokozani ngoba wonke nje ube victiza ngosamuntu nomuntu angazi kanjani ene besihlangana nezinkalakatha abo Burning Spear abo bana bozika imali kanjalo kodwa ngiyakutshela ithi kungena uLucky angazi lokwenziwa yini kanjani kodwa ikhona le show noma ibhlungu engizofuna ukutshela umphakathi le show esafuna ukuthi lesengikhohlwe sengizigugela but lo show le yangizisa ubhlungu ukuthi sathi sifika lapho kwangena intombazane edressing room before siye stage yeza kuLucky yafika yathi Nkosami Lucky angazi ngakubonga kanjani ukuthi ufikile la nginobaba lapha ogulayo dala egula wathi baba ngeke ngihambe emhlabeni ngakamboni uLucky enengize nayo ukhona la eshowini ngimbeke lapha phezulu khona ishow wathi ngeke ngife hayi sayisatha kancane le ndaba wathi uLucky hawu siyabonga hawu yaqala ishow sicule intro ingoma yethi overture esingena ngayo sacule yesibili esithathu washona le baba lapha yana thina stage sisayibuyisa sezwa bibo sokuqheliswa abantu kanti kulanda isidumbu lapha yana
during ishow
ngithi sisacule ingoma ezi3 kusho ukuthi loba kuthenja ngezwa ivoice kaLucky wathi ngiyabonga
madoda
hey ayi kodwa after that sekaphumile lesidumbu yazi uLucky bongathi akusadlali yena sokudlala isport angazi bokwenziwa yini hey besokumiyela idlozi engalazi kuLucky angazi ubesenzela yena lo baba ukuthi ahambe kahle angiyazi into enjena Thokozani ayikhulu sho
no but I guess ama memories
yes ukubonisa ukuba bemthanda kanjani abantu Lucky
namanje basamthanda lokubaqhubeka maniqhamuka nje kuthiwa hey nayi ibheni kaBaba Dube hey
baningi kanjani ababuzayo kuFacebook angazi noma uyayibona bathi ibheni kaLucky sesekhona na khona la ngazi ngaphendula khona ngathi hayi cha sesekhona ibheni ngaphendula impela kuFacebook angazi ngangiphendula abantu
no ku very important at least ukuthi bazi ukuthi ibheni isasekhona and isaqhubeka isenza wona umsebenzi
and then umntana wakhe uthathe over
phela nathi siyancenga nje sithi wanya lapho you know but no we really appreciate it I think what I wanted to say to you though is we really appreciate umsebenzi owenzile nobaba you know yebo phela ngisho ukuthi sesiyayeka cha sekile siyasebenza la yaqhutshela kodwa nje I think it's very important ukuthi ngithi siyabonga impela umsebenzi owenzile nobaba ngoba yena ke yebo mhlawumbe wayenibonga kodwa ke wagcina ehambile engakwazanga maybe ukunibonga so nami sengithi cha angi-extend ukubonga yini ukuthi nje thank you very much yebo sibonge nje impela kodwa ke okunye nje ukuthi nami ngiyangeseka nami ngipha amandla yazi mangithi ngiyaphenduka estage nginibona nimile lapha ngithi vele ngibone kahle ukuthi yazini noma kunzima le note le kumele lifike ngoba hayi kuzoba inkinga masibuyele ebhasini noma ngangibhekela le kodwa
bazongidoba
yabona So ngithi nje ngibonge lapho ngibonge kakhulu ngakho konke ongenzela kona. So I think one question that I really want to ask uMamthandi here is how did Ubaba treat them in the band? You know, I think a lot of the time artists when they get big, you know, hey, I'm TK Dube, you know, and they sort of end up losing how they treat other people, or they become different in how they treat other people. Kuwe nje bekuwumuntu onjani mawumbhekile mani band nje senhlangene bekuwumuntu onjani obehave kanjani?
Hey, uyazi lo muntu loyo angimazi ukuthi ubezalwe kuphi. Uphuma kumhlaba. Ulakhi bekamazi umuntu ngendlela yokuthi nathi inkinga zethu besikazi zasemizini yethu besikazulelwa uyathi ngiyakubona gokuthi awukho ngithinta ofisini la ngimbekele inkulumo yakho eluzongilungisela yona kahle ulakhi enye into bengichaza ngolakhi uyabona Thokozani ukuthi amanye amabhendi bazongixolela niyakwenza vele abaphathi bawo makuzoyiwe showini let's say kuyiwa etorini on ukuphi umnikazi uzoflya nina hambani phansi ulakho bengayifuni lona athi ngeke ngihamba nabo masifa ngifana nabo masi late ngiba late ngoba mina ngizoflya mangifikele kanti bona banenkinga emuva then akuna band
then there's a problem.
Angeke ingene stage ngaphandle kwabo ngulakhi Dube ngabo ngendlela esihlonipha ngakhona nangale ndlela futhi yokuthi masizohamba siyaphesheya Thokozani ulakhi e-airport angeke agibele ndizeni uyazi abezangikhumbuze athi ngibala izimvu zakho uzohlala la kanti gate angithi uyasibala nje uyasibona
lokho nyangena ngawani
makangibonanga omunye ongena eplane ubuqhubu ngokubehlupha ukunqobezela ufuna siphelele sonke yena uzongena egcineni uyambona umuntu onjalo ukuthi ubengagadanga ukuthi menzela nje umsebenzi athola imali ubezinakile nempilo zethu ubekathe yonke into yethu la ngishona phesheya abapromoters bafuna umtatamisa ngikumbula ngelanga bamqashela ilimozini thina sizohamba ngebhasi wathi ngeke yancenga ipromoter yathi okay thatha amantombazana ngelina ngoba
wona ilimosela
yakho ibhadele wathi this mangene nabanye hayi niye band yangena ebhasini lelo thina naye sazi limozini ngolakhi thina sazi
senphesheya senle
sesilela ama-promoters wanga
bathi bamfaka yedwa athi no
bangithi bayamazi ukuthi umuntu omkhulu bathi bamtatamisa kanti ulakhi yakhe silonhlobo uthi ngitatamiseni nezimvu zami ningangitatamisisi ngeke
kodwa manje kusho ukuthi kuphinde kube mbaxambili ngoba phela ngapha ke lithi phela ke ekhaya hey abanye bethu wanathi besigangile so manje ngapha ebandini phela yebo ngeke anibhaxabule ngoba nibadala phela kahle hle I think iningi leni abanye bethu badala kuze kunayo so kuyangithusa kwa ukuthi ebenisiza nina einkingeni zasemzini zenu kube kuhuye oyingane idiscipline ebeyibamba kanjani
besimazi sonke uyangibona ngikupheka kanjani ngiyakutshela bengimsaba njenge like me futhi mina bengimsaba wesibazi bangihleke bathi once wangena ulakhi kuzowa yonke into engiyiphethe akashongo next umntwana umuntu abe strict yena bengayifuni into wrong but hayi ukuthi vele nje abe strict space ningayenzi into wrong hayi into wrong abengayifuni kanti futhi noma senza into right uzosibonisa ukuthi nijabulisile nenze into right ube nje yena ube nalulaka phela ube nalulaka manje ulibona kakhulu kulaba ama-promoters nabo bonke laba abamnyatsayo nabamya.
And I think that happens a lot kakhulukazi because ama-musicians they don't know the business side of things bafuna just ukufika bacule bazi leyo side but because yena bekuwumuntu owazi both sides I think that's where inkinga beyifika ibe khona kulama promote ukuthi phela ngeke uzongitshele ngiyayazi into oyenzayo as a business and I know ukuthi what's good for iband yami what's good for
exactly
for
once safika nje thina wasibeka kule hotel yena wambeka le ku 5 star athi alikho room khona wa 2 star or 0 star ngiyolala nabo khona
wherever laba khona nami
khona nginabo ubekwenza ngempela eZimbabwe saze sayiyeka nje show impela esimanga nje sehotel
naye li show
wayikhansela wafonela ilo yakho ngoba uvuka uzuka ilo yakhe hey ngoba saphuma
ngiqala utana nje yini bakwenze njani
angithi bafuna ukumbeka le
go 5 star
thina basibekela kwamnyathi uyangena eromini udibana ama underpena wazi ukabani le uzola lamashidi kunjani njani wathi into la khona la bathi ayamaguma wasekho akusena rufona ubugeleliwe wathi lathi itsina baya le mina ngizama
orasiye
hayi kwathola ukuthi banenkinga ke manje ipromote yakho noba kungumama ngiyamazi ngimkhumbula wathi lathi maye sinjalo bengicela thatha imthwalweni sambeni skip apakishani sambeni
kobe kupakishwa vele
Thokozane sapakisha sahamba lo mama ngasaguqi phansi sakhali phela amatikiti athengiwe manje asizange siperform bathi basivimba kufonela ilo yakhe godi ilo yakhe yabuya bag yabatshela yena show yabatshela isikarabha le batshele sona yadedelana lo mntu wami masitedela sameka ngesimanga nje sehotel uyambona ukuthi
just ukuthi kube ne-equality ukuthi guys sisemsebenzini sonke hayi ngoba mina ngosibani but ngosibani because of laba engiza nabo
eyinto yamhlanyisa wabona ama-room wethu kanjani ukuwe kwama-room yakhona ma-room futhi nasazi sinankinga but leyana hayi
phela ke kunokwenzeka yebo i3 star kodwa right ayikho clean right
manje uyangena kulenga ama underpen awazi umnikazi uzongena
azolanda izinto zakhe
hayi ile yamdini la hayi yena shame yabona lapha abengafuni abengafuni next year-band yakhe ngikhathali wangithi
kodwa mina ke engikhumbulayo ngikhumbula kumele kiwe show airport kwakumele kiwe airport and I think one of the other band members was not in yet and it's equal time bese ishayile kwathiwa babunene azishi kusuka sekunjani ke mase kunjani
uyazi ukuthi wesenzani ngalo awuzwe ngithi ulakho bengafuni wenza into wrong ubesithanda impela siphatha kahle kodwa phela nawe umsunyathela ikhona uthi lo bedlala
asimceli kodwa phela ngithi siyakhuluma simceli siyasho nje
shame waladela la ladelwe khona ngazi kanjani ene uMandla lokwa adayisa ukuthi uMandla shaya ebhasi uMandla bambela ngathi ngisalungisa la wenza isikhathi ukuthi uzangafika ithe sendleleni lakhe wafonela uVictor ngibona uVictor Masonto ngidlala ibase kodwa sihlangana passport yasihlangana e-airport Thokozani safike e-airport ngaphela nangu Victor
naye sekala
sokuswaphe amatikiti ke manje lika TO
selbizu
Victor samba ngathi uthi uzofika hamba nge-Maxi taxi wathi basi uzobona
manje sekuriheziwe mosi
angithi inhlata ayikuphi ke phela bo Victor abantu besikole azange alala ulakhe noskipa nayo Victor bariyeza ubusuku bonke lathi lebo Victor phela umtshela inothi ulibhala phansi
shaya ngesikole uzolifunda linjani
yenzeka lo show but angithi uyayibona ishow yethu njani
inama dynamics inama
yes kwase kuba ile horitlaperi ke show ngophela manje akayazi uVictor lama
bawanya izinto eziyalina le
kodwa nje show yenzeka ubonisa ukuthi ngiyanthanda impela kodwa phela msungihlukumezana emsebenzini ngihlukumeza phela le sabotage le ngizohamba ngana base niyokwenzani la ngeke
izodlala kanjani
yo
and bass is one of the big instruments kule band setup
nami self yakangivelela inkinga
hawu awusasho kanti
bathi ngimele i-Maxi taxi ngisatellite problem sinothola i-Maxi taxi bantu babo iska yo hayi yafika mangizojika lapha ebona downtown le store mangithi nayi bus yami
yabihamba ibhasi
kanti bayangibona sisithandi manje manje wayithula nje seliphambili yami ibhasi ngangena akakhulumi nami wathi angithi passport yakhe bese sishiye sewenikeza ukholweni yabo
sebeshi passport ukuthi soyomnika
ayomnikeza sazizolandela
ewu
tanta le
at least bekusaseduze nakwazi ukuthola i-passport
bona la vele wagijima uyimpi yankulunkulu wagijima uyimpi wayolanda i-passport yami ngangena kwenyitho uthoni nokhumbuzi siyahamba siya somewhere nakhona siyaflya usuka kwenye indawo uthoni nokhumbuzi wahlala bale i-call time amshobo ku 5 ekuseni bamela wathi basi ama-passport wabo shiye la reception sawashiya ngempela sahamba uyabona ukuthi sisemazweni abazi bazophuma labayeni bafike e-airport bangagezanga ngoba daramba bafike indiza
isikhathi sesishayile vele
makathe u1 makube u1 hayi 5 pass
hayi 2 pass u1 ngoba sonke senze i-effort equal ukuthi sonke sisacrifice ukuthola ukuthi
lapho isikhathi sakhe nomsebenzi wakhe ubezibeke phambili leso hayi bengani nathi besazi kahle ukuthi mina benze ngilale downtown Thokozani ngihlale Soweto i-call time u2 ekuseni dathakusa
yabona ukuthi hayi
edema wazi wangihleka ngelanga ngiyafika e-downtown yena ngikhona sisuke e-downtown yakwa adina ngesayolala kancane ngizohlala kukhole nangibasela ihitha ngihlala ngoba ngizosuka ngani Soweto
ebusuku ngedatha
ngoba ngiyawuthanda umsebenzi wami ngamane kuthiwe ngihleli i5-10 hours ngilinde umsebenzi wami
no hayi kona kusho ukuthi hayi nisebenzile kusho ukuthi nezitori eziningi nje yathi kusamele nje sibuye sithi ukuhlala nawe sikhuluma
ziningi kakhulu ezinhle nezimbi nezinjani ayizineki sihlalile phela nale ndoda hayi sihlalile nayo
manje i-rehearsal awusho bekenza kanjani i-rehearsal ngoba phela mina benginokufika ngiphuma esikoleni yabona ngizothi ngithi ngithola uhleli e-office awuthi uyaphezulu isigatari yakhala igatari
yena nami
yena ula e-office ngizombona ekhuphuka kayi-1 athi mayebuya hayi sekwenze njani usebenze besenza kanjani
ilehlozi lakhe angithi uyazi ukuthi ibhendi yawazi umsebenzi uzoza ngalola njengoba kuyila stage uzoza athi skipper ku right yebo ku right awusibambelele abamba uyazi ukuthi vele noma ngazanga total so dibane stage na
uyohlala phambili uyazi ibhendi i-on point
Thokozani sakuhluya kumbula ukuhlukane kwethu iband ihlukana nolaki le band yakhe kuqala kwasala mina noTonic nomfana we-lead uJuke sowashona wathi ngihamba ngiyohlala eplazini lami lena kuneyimali zami bangabe nawe ufuna lo msebenzi yakheni le band yabona sasigijima noTonic yabona bo Richard abo TO lawo bo dudes abantu bethu besambe sihlanganisa iband wathi ngizozwa ngani matheni right
hawu yini kwasekwenze njani phela ngoba angazi nomkhuluma ngale story ukuthi khona la akathi hayi alright ke umuntu akayicelela umsebenzi akabuya zo apply
akusile yokuphuma kwabo Thuthukane nabo iband yakhe
le yeqala
original slave ukuphuma kwa impela yesathwala ubunzima sathwala ubunzima wathi mina ngiyohlala eplazini la ngezinto zami lusinkomo zami
right
uma ngabe niyayifuna mina lo msebenzi le show I'm telling you Thokozani akusishow yami kodwa le show ukuze ime yimi noTonic nalo Jukes njoba ngisho ngithi TO lower base weza ngami ngihudula ngimsusa kwa Brenda
uyarecruiter
nje
uyadonsa nje
yes
kwahlangana ke kwaba
nako ke lo ibuzayo angazi senza phutha liphi beshe salenza iphutha yes wasiyela ngisaqeda itho masifike ekhaya wathi ngixoshiwe nonke
phelile umsebenzi
awufunayo umsebenzi uzongithola e-office singena ama-1 gogo kamini ngongela kuhlale phansi ngakusiza ngani thina sangena siyibhekisa ngamantombazane besizocela umsebenzi benisebenza besebenza bala kidu exoshelweni hayi siye sona kanje okay nawe wasihlabele ibantu
qale phansi nje ngoba i-interview process
baba hayi wabeyifani kanjani abeyifani banebhasini phesheya bekuba mnandeni into ongayazi
hlekwa kuphela nje
hlekwa nje waya hayi
kodwa mase kuyisikhathi sebhizinisi isikhathi sebhizinisi
ushintsha la esweni
uyabona na ukuthi no
akusadlalwa ke manje
sesihamba ngolayini manje
bebe siyenza siqedile ngayo sesingena besimkhakha ke manje
so ibona afterwards
hayi yena beyifani bana se stage unenza nibe
free
yes adlale sekuyagange ngawa se stage le correction besebenzisana kamnandi lapha sabuzwa ubuhlungu kodwa ke manje ngoba i-timing kaNkulunkulu
ekaNkulunkulu ngeke udlale ngayo uNkulunkulu kuphela uyazi ukuthi ime kanjani
awubantu ngizibuze ngithi I wonder ukuthi ngabe sikuphi mhlawumbe ngoba besaphila
I mean especially mawuthatha ukubheka izinto ezenzakalayo right now emhlabeni you know I think there would be a lot that he would be voicing out a lot that he would be talking about you know so I think benzoba kude man I think benzoba kude
ngabe sikude kabi I'm sure ngabe sihlala kuma double story Chosen there's this song ekhuluma ngalento ekhona manje uyithatha kanjani le ngoma le ithi ngiyayazi
hayi ngizazi zonke mina
there will be no schools anymore
yeah they won't build any schools in
prison
that's all they build prisons
yilenzeka manje
yena
bekumprofeti omunye wathulalela izingoma zikaLucky Mphakathi ngiyajabula ngoba bakhona abazilalelayo awuzwa ngihlala ku Facebook bazokutshela abantu bakaJehova ukhona vele sokhulume ngayo le ngoma
ukuthi lento yayishiwo le
wathi yashiwo Lucky Dube kudala kabi
engiyo manje into eyenzakalayo
sikuyo manje ayikwandi ukuba ukhona ngabuthini
nakho phela sihlele nakho kuhleze endlini kumanje masithi sibheka around i4 walls zethu nje masithi la ngaphandle ukuthi kwenzakalani akunayikolo ezwakhwayo
ziphi ingane asifundi ingane akho sikole
kodwa uthi iyo le yayikhulunywa
kodwa emajele khona
lokhu nje
eyibhedlela ibhedi yanda imaruma yanda
kodwa ke manje noma kunomkhoshosho nje ongathi ukhona ngapha kwezabo politics asibaboni beyangala go prison la kodwa hayi asiphume lapha asikho lapha yeah no sibonga ukuthi ke usijoinile ma sibonga ukuthi usijoinile kodwa ke sisazokhuluma futhi sisazoyibamba futhi le ngxoxo sithi ukuqhubeka nayo mayesho yena ke ngawakhe amazwi uthi it would be 23 years today so we are very honored to have had her play with my dad for so many years and to have her continue now with me and the band, you know, to continue that legacy. We really appreciate that. I will show you, Auntie. I will need your favorite song yakho sokhipha ababukeli ngayo nje namhlanje.
Esinayo manje stage.
Esinayo nje manje stage esingabakhipha ngayo nje.
I-Truth in the World awuthi siphume ngayo.
I-Truth in the World.
Ngoba abakayazi le album yethu entsha ye-band. Abayazi.
Yeah.
Bakhiphe nge-Truth.
Kodwa bayayazi yona.
Bayayazi.
Ikhona bayayazi.
Badubule ngayo ke.
The celebrate his life.
Yes. Njengoba sibambene kanje si celebrate impilo yakhe.
All right, no. Yes. There you heard it. We'll play you out with Celebrate His Life by the Lucky Dube Band, which is an album that was to celebrate really the life of Lucky Dube from where he started to where he ended. You know, obviously he has not stopped. His music continues every single day, and it's people like you that still listen to his music, that still watch his videos on YouTube and everywhere, and you know, all the fans that demand that the Lucky Dube Band come and play live shows for you. So thank you very much. The next song that's going to play is called Celebrate His Life by the Lucky Dube Band. Thank you very much once again. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Wait, the subscribe button is this side. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Comment below or subscribe below. Comment below. Whatever. Hit the notification bell, and we'll see you on the next episode of Memories with a Legend. My name is TK Dube, aka Thokozani Dube. Peace and love.
Bye.